Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD mildly bid under 1.2600 as US dollar returns to losses. http ntvforex.com news IDEEE 5D9. 27 minutes ago. By Anil Panchal. GBP USD reverses the previous day's losses while extending pullback from 1.2537. Easing of lockdown measures in Leicester, hopes of healthcare funding pleases the bulls. UK employment figures flashed upbeat numbers but couldn't defy broad greenback strength. Russia accused of stealing coronavirus data, China's tussle with the US, UK continues. GBP USD escalates the recovery moves to 1.2570, up 0.15% on a day, while heading into the London Open on Friday. The cable recently picked up the bids as risk reset renews the US dollar declines. Also supporting the quote is the easing of lockdown restrictions in Leicester and few other second-tier catalysts. Traders may now look forward to the US consumer sentiment data during the easy day with a light calendar. The US dollar index DXY, the gauge of the greenback versus major currencies, declines 0.08% to 96.22. The US currency recovered the previous day amid fresh risk-off mood pushing traders towards the safe haven. Though, a lack of major data and hopes of further stimulus, coupled with the global efforts towards finding the coronavirus COVID-19 vaccine, recall the USD sellers. On the other hand, news that the residents in Leicester are allowed mild leeway from the local lockdowns offered additional strength to the pair. Further, updates from Reuters that the UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson is to pour £3 billion into England's National Health Service NHS to try to ward off any resurgence of the coronavirus also favoured the quote. Additionally, the Tory government's plan to back the internal trade as a free move post-Brexit give GBP USD buyers another reason to support the long positions. Alternatively, the UK's tussle with China, on Hawaii ban, as well as the Sino-American tension keeps the risk tone sluggish. It should also be noted that the fears of the pandemic, due to the surge in the US numbers, join allegations that Russia steals COVID-19 data attacks the market's optimism. Even so, the US stock futures and equities in Asia-Pacific remain mildly bid while the US 10-year Treasury yield seesaw around 0.62% as we write. Looking forward, a lack of major data events will keep the pair traders stuck to the news for fresh impetus. Though, the U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index, expected 79.00 versus prior 78.1, could offer intermediate moves. Technical analysis. Bulls will wait for a clear break above 200-day EMA level of 1.2590 for fresh entries. Until then, sellers remain hopeful to attack the monthly low of 1.2480 with 1.2525, comprising 21-day EMA, followed by 1.2500, acting as immediate supports. Additional important levels. Overview. Today last price. 1.257. Today daily change. 16 pips. Today daily change percent. 0.13%. Today daily open. 1.2554. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 1.2488. Daily SMA 50. 1.2445. Daily SMA 100. 1.2422. Daily SMA 200. 1.2705. Levels. Previous daily high. 1.2625. Previous daily low. 1.252. Previous weekly high. 1.267. Previous weekly low. 1.2463. Previous monthly high. 1.2813. Previous monthly low. 1.2252. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 1.256. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 1.2585. Daily Pivot Point S1. 1.2508. Daily pivot point S2. 1.2461. Daily pivot point S3. 1.2403. Daily pivot point R1. 1.2612. Daily pivot point R2. 1.2671. Daily pivot point R3. 1.2717. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.